Welcome to my channel. So let's get started. We'll draw our starting point here. This is unfold. So just fold your paper this way. Have your starting point. So you're making a sleeveless blouse. We'll minus 5 inches from it. So the nipple I'm working with is 11. Shoulder to nipple is 11. Shoulder to underbust 15. Then shoulder to waist 17. Take the measurement this way. 11, 15, and 17. So let's get the lines together. So right now we're going to take our nipple to nipple measurement. This is a nipple line. So right here we'll take 4 inches. 4 inches. Then we'll minus 1 inch from this 4 for the underbust tightening. So we'll put 3 inches here. Then we'll bring it all the way down 3 inches too. So connect it. So for this joining here, most times when you use this curve, you might not really get it right. So I always advise just do a very rough sketch. Just do a rough sketch, then gradually you connect it. You can do it as many times as you want. Once you're satisfied, you can see it's connected right now. So this part, you come over here and you take 3 inches. You minus 1 inch from your nipple measurement. Then you do a rough one still, just a dot sketch before you connect, just so you're satisfied. So right now we are done with it. So if you want to cut out on your fabric, you add your sewing allowance here, then add 0.5 sewing allowance on your fabric. So right now I'll cut it out. So this is your front panel. While cutting, you cut unfold on your clothes. Then after cutting on your clothes, let's say this is the fabric, you cut on it this way. After cutting the other side, you place it this way and cut. So this is our starting point. Take the zip allowance, which is 1 inch. This is our zip allowance. So remember, we are removing 5 inches. We'll have arm side 8.5. Then we'll have nipple, shoulder to nipple 11. We'll have them connected this way. So connect this way. Then remember our nipple to nipple measurement is 4. We'll take the 4. Take the 4 and we'll connect it to this part. Okay. So on this line, we'll take 0.5 by each side, 0.5 here, 0.5 here. This is the arm cycle line. Go down by 1 inch. Go down by 1 inch. Then from there, you connect your 0.5 up to that side. Connect this one still. And I'll cut out this. Cut out the starting points. Measure your shoulder. If you're working with 12 inches shoulder, that means you mark 6. On the arm side still, you mark 6. Put a line down. And you connect it. Back, so we join it this way.